Hello, today we make a test video for these card sleeves or card bags and I will show you how good this product fits to our product. Just at the labeling unit and the conveyor belt. Look, everything is in line, okay. So, we'll stop the machine. For sure, if you want to order machine, we will make something to hold it here down, that it looks a little bit more straight. But if you look at your results, you will see everything is straight on position. There's not a big difference. So. And we will make a video for another sleeves you send us right now. And the good thing is you don't have to change the adjustments of the machine. So thank you, we will see you again in the next video.